Hello, today I show you how to use Sketch Photoshop action, and here is some of results that you can make with this action. Okay, and firstly some recommendation for optimal use of action. Use good quality pictures. I recommend using a photo with a resolution of at least 2000 pixels and more for the best effect. So if you have a photo with too small resolution, just open the photo, then go to the image size, and change width or height value. Okay, and before your section you need to do the steps. First step, make sure that you're using the English version of Photoshop, and if you use version with another language, watch the video how to change language. The link under this video. Second step, go to image mode and check the RGB color and add bits channel. And last step, just for CS5 and highest versions, click on menu icon at the right, go to the panel options and check the add copy to copied less and groups. Okay, that's all. Now, how to use action. First, open your photo, and one more important thing, your photo need to have the background view. So if your photo have this view, you just need to select the photo, then go to the layer, new, and select background from layer. Now it's okay. So the next step, open brushes file. For that, go to the edit, presets, preset manager. In preset tab, select brushes, click load, then go to your download folder and make double click on Sketch brushes file. Next step, open patterns file. Let's go to the edit, presets, preset manager. But now on preset tab, select patterns, click load, go to download folder again and make double click on Sketch patterns file. Wait a few seconds and click done. The next step, open action file. For that, go to the window, actions, click on menu icon at the right, select load actions, go to download folder last time and make double click on Sketch Photoshop action file. Okay, the next step, create a new layer, name it area, and please don't use the caps lock. Now you need to paint on this layer the area that you need to focus. For that, I recommend to use brush tool with soft brush. Okay, for that you can use any colors. It's very easy. Okay, now go to the actions panel. If you close it, go to the window, actions. Now find action on the action list, open the photo with section, open the action and please select the action. Okay, and now you need to click play. But before you click play, please make sure that the opacity and flow of brush tool is 100% and the normal mode is selected. Okay, now click play. Wait a few minutes that Photoshop make all actions, and speed of action work depends on the power of your computer. I'm a little scroll at this step. Okay, and when action finishes work, you can change the final composition, and now I show you how to make this. In final composition we have 4 folders, it's background elements, object elements, 10 color effects and color and contour settings of all image. Okay, let's start from background elements. In this folder you can change the background color, but previously you need to hide paper texture before use this color. Okay, the next folder it's hatching on background. You can change the color of this hatching, just make double click on layer icon and select the color what you need. Okay, also you can add the color tone to background and you can change the color of this color tone. And also this folder contains the folder with color brushes. It's 2 color brushes. You can scale, move, rotate these brushes. If you want to scale, move or rotate these brushes, just select the layer mask and move. If you want to scale and rotate, you can use Ctrl+T combination. Also, you can duplicate these brushes. For that, go to the layer and select duplicate layer. And now you can move the copy of this layer. So same with second brush. And also this folder contains background drawing. And the last folder in this background elements folder, it's quick color and contrast settings of all background. In this folder you can add original color to all background area. Of course you can change the opacity of this layer. You can add the gradient to background. If you want to change the color of gradient, just make double click on layer icon, click on gradient and make double click on the color what you need to change. You can change the angle of this gradient. You can scale and rotate this gradient. And also you can add the color tone to background. You can change the hue saturation of background. And you can change the brightness and contrast of background. Okay, the next folder it's object elements folder. This folder contains main object drawing. The next folder it's perspective lines. You can change the opacity of these layers. Also, if you need, you can duplicate these layers. And also you can change the colors of these layers. For that, just make double click. And maybe you want to change the color of these lines to red. It's very easy. Okay, the next folder is object shadows. In this folder you can change the two colors of object shadows. For that, make visible this layer and make double click on the color and select the color what you need. Same with second color. Okay, the next folder is dark hatching. This folder contains the layers with dark hatching, and you can add the color to dark hatching. And you can change the brightness and contrast of this hatching. Also, please pay attention that if you need to erase some space of this hatching, or you can erase some space of object shadows or perspective lines, you just need to select the layer mask, select brush tool, select the black color, and just paint where you want to erase. It's very easy. If you want to make visible, select the white color and paint again. Okay, and the next folder it's pen lines. In this folder you can change the 3 colors of pen lines. It's very easy. In the next folder it's light paths and hatching. So this folder contains the layers with light paths and hatching, and you can add the color tone to light paths. And also you can change the brightness and contrast of light paths. Okay, and the last folder it's text paths. This folder contains 2 layers with text paths. You can move these text paths. If you use Ctrl+T combination, you can rotate and scale this layer. Also, you can duplicate this layer, and of course you can change the color of this layer. Okay, and the next folder it's 10 color effects. And the last folder it's color and contour settings of all image. In this folder you can add the gradient to all image. You can make invert image, but previously you need to hide color brushes, or just go to quick color and contrast settings of background folder and just change the saturation to -100. Okay. Of course, you can change the opacity of this layer. Also, you can change the hue and saturation of all image. You can add the photo filter to all image. If you need to change the photo filter, just make double click, select the photo filter what you need, and you can change the density of this filter. With the next folder you can make black and white composition. You can add the color tone to all image. And you can change the brightness and contrast of all image. So it's ready. Here is the result. Now you need just save. Thanks for watching and good luck.